The old Duramax looks a little different. We got the bed cover off, got the gooseneck on. Dad's gonna follow us up to get the tractor. Let's see how this baby pulls. The old D-Max is loaded up. We got the Kubota on there. We strapped it down. We'll take this baby to Johnson City. We'll see how this Duramax pulls. I'm kind of excited to see. It pulled the gooseneck like it was nothing, but we'll see how it pulls this trailer. Got a tail light out, but she looks good with that camper top off. We're loaded up. We're heading out of here. We'll stop down here at Hobson's store and we will check out the load, but we got us a convoy. We stopped down here at Hobson's store. We're good on our straps. That Kubota's up there. And we are heading to Johnson City. We're about halfway out and we're looking good. I just can't get over how good that truck looks with that bed cover off. We are riding up a mountain right now. We run about 30 miles an hour. You can definitely tell that old tractor's back there, but the old Duramax is pulling it like it's nothing. I'd like to juice this baby up just a little bit, but heck, handling wise, you can't even tell that tractor's back there. Now, if you get to going up a hill, you gotta give her a little fuel if you want to stay at the same speed. If you're going up a big mountain like we are right now, this will be the steepest incline that we hit. We're going up Iron Mountain right now, and so we'll put her to the test, but so far she is passing it. I mean, we're going up pretty good incline right now, and she's staying strong, about 35. You can kind of tell it's going down just a little bit, but heck, this thing's pulling it like it's nothing. I don't think I'll ever be in anything but a Duramax again. See, like right here where we had to go around that curve, it's lugging back just a little bit. But heck, we got a big old tractor back there, so she's doing pretty good for me. I'm very happy with the Duramax. We've just hit the top of the Iron Mountain. It is all downhill from here. I'm gonna put this baby in low gear and we'll save our brakes. We went and picked up our seed at the co-op. We've got 500 pounds of fertilizer back there. And we're checking the field right now to see if it is dry enough. And I think it is. Right here's this old road. If anybody's got any suggestions on what to do with this gravel, just keep going over it maybe or what. But this is the only part in this field that I'm kind of worried about. Other than that, I think we're gonna grow some good corn down here. I'm gonna plant about 1 acre of sweet corn down here, and then we're gonna go back in and replant it for our corn maze. But y'all can kind of see, I mean, it's a little damp down in there, but we ain't getting too far in there. And I mean, it's just soft as can be. and it's gonna rain on it here the next 3-4 days. I think I'm gonna try to plant. We got our meters rebuilt today and last night. I got a video coming out on that, but so hopefully we're gonna see if we rebuild them right. I didn't get them run on a stand at the dealership or nothing. As y'all can tell, we're trying our hardest to beat the rain. We're gonna get our seed boxes put on. We're gonna get our chains put on, and then I think we're ready to plant. This is what I'm planting on right now. If y'all got a better setup for sweet corn, I'm just on my far left one and my far left one down here. This is what I came with last year, but my meters were so messed up I don't think it was right. So I'm gonna put these on, and we'll do a little test run in the gravel, and we'll see what happens. Hope y'all can see my new corn meters that we rebuilt. Don't they just look pretty? Well, we got both the boxes. We just put half a bag in each meter, and we'll throw us a little graphite on there, and we'll be ready to plant. Now, this is one thing that I ain't used, so if I'm doing it wrong, y'all just tell me. Is that too much? Too little? Let me know in the comments. That's how you engage these meters, and they just have like a little clip back in there, and it clips into this little metal piece. That's how it clamps in. It clamps into that little metal piece, and these fingers are on this meter, and that's how it turns it. Our film manager has arrived. Well, Maddie definitely got some of the best footage that's ever been on the channel before. The old tractor got a little hot. She likes to get a little hot, especially in the summertime. But we're hoping to get that fixed, put an old water pump on it here soon. But we got a bunch planted. We're gonna just keep getting after it and see how much of this we can get planted. I don't know if we can get everything in this one big field that I got. This is a little waterway that goes through, and I just didn't want to plant it because I didn't want to have to worry about fighting the water, because it comes down here whenever it comes. So I just want to leave that grass, and then I've got this little tiny field right here that if we run out of room over here, I'm just going to plant some over here, and we'll probably do just side to side planting, not up and down like we just did. And we'll have a little extra field of sweet corn. But we'll see how much we can fit in this field. I think that we can get everything over here. The good Lord has definitely blessed me today. We've about got this whole field planted. It's been cloudy and rainy, but just look at that pretty sunset. I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna take this as a sign of a good corn year, and hopefully a good corn maize season too. We're gonna get finished planting, but gosh, that's just so pretty. I can't stand it. I had to take a video of it. We'll get back in the tractor and we'll get to planting. Well guys, all the seed boxes are empty. I know we got all of that first field planted that I showed you. This one, I don't know how far we got. I just tried to I just went over the whole thing and emptied them seed boxes out. It looks like our meters are completely empty. I couldn't see anything, I couldn't hear anything, and so we're done. I'm gonna get these boxes off, put them in the shop, get them in the dry, and we'll be done for the night. I reckon I'm gonna head to North Carolina right after this and hook a trailer up, and we're gonna go get the fertilizer spreader. I did not fertilize this, so hopefully I'm gonna get it done before the rain comes in, and it'll get rained in. But I wanted to get the corn in the ground at least, because it says that it's supposed to rain for 4 or 5 days, and it's a little late right now. Guys, today is May the 1st, and so I'm a little late to the party. Most people has already got their corn in the ground, and so that's why I've kind of put the fertilizer off. I definitely want to have my corn seed in the ground, and I'll get the fertilizer on and I'll get it rained in later. But guys, until next video, thank you so much for watching, and God bless. Well, I reckon this is about as perfect of a fit as you can get. So we're gonna leave her in here for the night, and we'll see y'all in North Carolina or in the morning, one or the other. Well, this one's gonna take a while. That baby's clogged up with silt. All that's inside the tank. So I'm gonna keep on washing that baby out. There's one certain spot you can get, and it'll start washing it out. So hopefully we'll get this thing washed out and we can beat the rain to get the fertilizer on.